Welcome to Dazzling Paws Jewelry. I'm Myra Westfall, your host and the designer of the Dazzling Paws Jewelry brand. Today we're going to talk to you about sticky clasp. Have you ever purchased a necklace, got it home, and the clasp doesn't work? Today we're going to teach you how to fix that in just a few minutes. Come on in. I'm going to get my glasses on and we're going to show you how to fix that sticky clasp. All right, so first of all we want to show you it's a spring-loaded clasp, and we want to talk a little bit about the mechanism. So what's going on in here is actually there's a moving part that moves like this, and what's happened is the metal has gotten so tight that the mechanism no longer functions anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a simple tack, and we're going to actually open up that area. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take the tack, I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure, I'm going to pull off the metal that is resting on that mechanism. And then I'm actually going to pull down on the other side and push down a little bit. You actually saw the clasp actually move. Hopefully you got that. And now this clasp functions. We're going to put it back on, make sure. We're going to put it back on. We always test our clasp here at Dazzling Paws Jewelry, making sure that everything is functioning. There we go. One simple fix. All you need is a tack. If you have any questions, comment down below or visit our website at dazzlingpawsjewelry.com and send us an email. Thanks for watching.